Let's see what is this one. This is the gift of death. Like my vitamins. This is the box of my vitamins. It doesn't even wrap it anymore. At least last year, it was wrapped in newspaper. Now there's no more wrapping. It's just like, there's your birthday, happy birthday. Let's see what's inside. I think that's how it is when the relationship is getting old. Let's see what my husband gave me for my birthday. Here it is, guys. Winter hat. Winter bonnet. Another one. So I got 3. Oh my god. What a cuckoo guy. Okay, let's see the card. Aha! So this is the card for my wife with love on your birthday. Sweet. Very sweet. Bonnet. Another bonnet. Oh my goodness. I don't know. Oops. Dun, dun, dun. I love it. Anyway, that's great. Thank you for your gift, Dad. I love you, darling. Thank you. Let me just try the other one. Oh, this is a little small. Oh, I love this. And the other one. Okay, so this will be my other new cup from my collection. Because I told him I look like I'm collecting this winter hat, and when I show him all those pictures that I took, it's now giving me. I hope it's not gonna do that all the time because I have lots already. Anyway, I really like it. This red is so cute, perfect for like a Santa Claus acting. Yeah. Anyway, my darling, thanks, Daddy. That was great. I'm just showing it to you guys. Actually, he already gave me the a gift card from Winners because it's my favorite, so I already did shop yesterday. So yeah, love it. Thank you. Thanks for watching also. Bye.